Absolutely. Ishika, stay on with us. We're getting more news coming in from Delhi. As per procedure, Delhi CM Atishi has stepped down. She submitted her resignation to the LG. The LG has dissolved Delhi Assembly. Delhi LG Vinay Saxena has dissolved the 7th Legislative Assembly of Delhi effective from 8th February. BJP, of course, remember, has won in Delhi and Atishi has stepped down as CM. My colleague Ishika still with us. Ishika, now Atishi having stepped down as CM, we're of course getting in pictures of her handing in her resignation.
Well, yes, certainly the visuals are on the screen. The outgoing, certainly, Chief Minister Atishi has already tendered her resignation to the Lieutenant Governor. She did it just a while back at the Lieutenant Governor's Secretariat, and with that, the Lieutenant Governor has dissolved the 7th, Assembly of Delhi, and now it is all set, that a new government is going to be formed. And yesterday, Aarti, if you look at the entire mandate, more than being in the favor of the BJP, it was more against the Aam Aadmi Party government in Delhi. Now, what lies ahead for Atishi? She will continue to be, the MLA of Kalkaji, because she has won that constituency even this time, and you will be seeing her this time in the assembly itself, but on the opposition seat.